In terms of exponent, we are simplifying nested square root in this video. So here is root 7 inside root 7 inside root 7 equals to 49 to the power x. We know root a means what? A to the power 1 by 2. So once we are starting this one, first against this root we can write this one, right? And here is 7. Against this one we can write 7, and then this is a root 7, so we can write 7 to the power 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. This one, look, this one for this root and this one for whole root. Okay, now we will segregate step by step. Equals to here 49 to the power x. So first, look, we know a times b whole square, we can write a square times b square. It's a simple formula. So this 7 to the power 1 by 2 times, then this one become 7 times 7 to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power. We also know a square whole square means a to the power 4. So this 1 by 2 and this 1 by 2 become 1 by 4 equals to this 49. We can write 7 square and here is x. It means 7 to the power 2x. Now look, this is 7 to the power 1 by 2 times, here is 7 to the power 1 by 4 times 7 to the power, here is 1 by 2 times 1 by 4, it means 1 by 8 equals to 7 to the power 2x. Now look, here all base are same. We know a to the power m times a to the power n, it means a to the power m plus n. Therefore 7 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1, sorry, 7 to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 equals to 7 to the power 2x. Now this 7 and here is, we can make a LCM, so 8 divided 2 is a 4, 4 times 1 is a 4, and here is 2 and here is 1 equals to 7 to the power 2x. Now 7 to the power 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 is a 7 by 8 equals to 7 to the power 2x. Now look, here base are same, so we know a to the power m equals to a to the power n, it means m equals to n. So we can write 7 by 8 equals to 2x. So this one we can, by cross multiplication we can write 16x equals to 7. So we can divide both sides by 16, so x equals to 7 by 16, and this is our answer. If you have any confusion, please write a line in the comment section. But look, here I want to revise or review whole thing. Here is whole root, against this whole root this one, right? And inside this root will become this one, and this root become this one. Then step by step we trying to omit all fractions. So finally we get our answer 7 by 16. It's a very interesting math and it's very important math. So be careful about a nested root, because if you mistake any bracket, your answer will be wrong. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel, which is SatX, and I'm trying to solving lots of math challenge or for Math Olympiad. Thank you.